Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is just a quick video showing you my journey into passive income from the last 2 months. Okay, so let's start with this. This is the latest addition to my passive income journey, Rollercoin. I love this. This is more game orientated. You gain a little bit of passive income here and there depending on which coin you decide to mine. Now, which one is the best is hard to say. But right now, all I'm doing is I'm doing roller token and getting as much roller tokens to buy as many miners as possible, so then I can start earning that real passive income. Now, this one is it's a good fun game. You can actually earn real bitcoins from it and stuff like that, but it's not the best to earn passive income. It's very slow. It's very grindy, but it's a lot of fun. So we got this one, and I hope over the next year to be earning some somewhat okay cash from this site. Okay, and the next one is this Bitcoin Mania game. Now, I love this. I'm personally invested into this project. I invested about $40 into this project or something like that. I've been building my miners up slowly but surely. As you can see, my doji room, I've got quite a few here. So I'm earning 3 doji per day from this. I'm earning a bit from this, a bit from that, a bit from this, 1.4 doji from this. So from this, I'm earning a bit of doji every day, which I love. You have to log in here every day and you earn a passive amount of cash depending on how many miners you've got. And you can start this for free, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so I've got a little bit earning here, a little bit earning here, a little bit earning here, a little bit earning here. You can also earn a little bit from referrals from this as well, dependent. So this one is a long-term strategy, and I'm hoping to hold this for a while. Hopefully this game continues for a long time, which I'm seeing it is. I've done my research and this is an okay one, but the only downside is the energy. You have to use energy to withdraw, and you get free energy from playing the games, so it's not too bad. Okay, so in the next year I'm hoping to earn a bit from this. I'm hoping to earn a bit. In the next 180 days I'm hoping to earn back my investment, and then for the future to just gain passive income from this. So then here is my here's my third one. I love this, Cryptowin.io. Now I've invested about $40 into this as well. I have 358 shares. I'm getting real close to my 360 mark. So that is 2,500 Satoshi a day, which is 0.0002506. Yeah, it's about that. So in the end, that'll earn me about 60p a day if I take that out, which will be that much a week, that much a month. Now, once I build this up to 360, I am going to cash out the 520 every day. I'm going to cash it out once a week, so I get that little bit of passive seed coin. Hoping into the future to double this, so I can take out a bit more, so 720. Of course, I can take it all out at once, once it's all expired in 180 days, if I want to, which will get me, I believe it's about $60 in profit. So if I'm putting in 40, I'd make 20 in 180 days. So that's not bad at all. This uses the compounding effect, to which every day you earn a certain amount of Satoshi. So if you reinvest back into this project, you are compounding your cash and you'll make a lot more by the end of the year. Or you can play it a little bit like I do. So you take out a little bit here, a little bit there to make sure you always get your return. Okay. And then there's this one, cointiply. I started with cointiply. This is quite cool. You can do the chat here. You can gain a rain pool, which is a little bit. You got PTC ads, which is more active than passive income. So you watch ads, get coins and stuff. to which then you can extract. I've started with these and I did loads of these. The ads, I did earning different ways of earning coins on here. I did the faucet every hour to get that starter coin, so then I could invest into these other projects. So this is a very good one to start with. Cointiply, very well known. I think it's the best out there. It doesn't pay the best right now because it's competitive rates, but this website has been here for a long time and everyone trusts it. It's got almost the most traffic, I think, to this website. It's been going for a while. And then here, this is what I've been using a lot more because there's been a lot more bonuses to it. It's a lot newer than Cointiply, but I've been using this as well for the recent gaining of seed coin. So yeah, as you can see, I've got $30.67 in here, which I can then put into other crypto games or crypto projects, which I will be in the future, because now I've got $30 spare. I'm going to put that into a different project. And this one, I love this website. Freecash is a great builder. You can it does the fastest withdrawal that I've seen. Cointiply takes about a day, 2 days to withdraw. It's always withdrawn. This one takes literally like less than an hour, I think, for it to actually withdraw into your Binance or whatever wallet you've got. For earnings, you can do the normal surveys, same as Cointiply. You can also do games and stuff to get extra dollars and that. And what I do is the rewards. Okay, the rewards. This is why I use this. I get about 1,000 coins per day by watching loot.tv and having it on a different monitor and passively just earning and earning and earning, which it gets coins. It gets roughly about 1,000 or less a day, to which then I just do a quick, I don't know, a tiny survey or something and get that 1,000 coins a day, to which then I claim this, and then I do it for 7 days in a row, and I get quite a good return. I get 11, 10, I get from anything from $7 to like $12 a week, which is really good starting from nothing. So this is my starter one, this is my starter one, and these are the projects that I am involved with right now. Have I invested anything into this? No, I haven't. Currently, this 35.97 RLT I've got, I don't believe it can be withdrawn, but that's about $35 in this game, to which then you buy miners, and then you can earn passive income or Bitcoin and withdraw from there. I've got some friends and they've withdrawn from this very easy, and so I have actually come up with a lovely Microsoft Excel of the total profit made. Okay, so over the last 2 months I've been using mainly these 5 to gain passive income. Okay, so this has got all my passive crypto here that I've tallied up to the best of my ability, which is what I've been earning and how much I've been investing. Okay, so as you can see with Cryptowin, I've invested $43.20, which has come to a total value of $59.80 with the bonus here. $16.60 is how much I've earned over the last 2 months. If I was to sell everything of that, of course I have to wait 180 days for it to expire to make that amount, which is fine. That's how much I would make. So the free cash, I've made $69.67, which is almost $70 for free, just by playing the loot.tv and having that running on the monitor in the background and earning that 1,000 coins and a little bit of bonus every day. So then the Bitcoin Mania game, I put in $38, as you can see here, made about $4 or $5 so far, and that is minus the investments, about $6 in profit. Rollercoin, 17 cents, because I've literally haven't been mining Bitcoin or anything else a lot more. I've only mined Bitcoin for about a month before I got the miners, the good miners and stuff, and I'll be buying a lot more miners in the future, so that should go up exponentially. Cointiply, this is how much I've earned. I don't play this site that much, but it's good for faucets and it's good for that initial seed coin. Gained that $39.66 from that. So in total, I have made $132 in 2 months, which is pretty good. I'd say that's pretty awesome. $132.10 from having literally nothing in crypto. Yo, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you got any value from this. And also, if you're looking to join up on any of these sites which I've mentioned, the links are in the description. These are affiliate links. So for Rollercoin, you'll be gaining 1,000 BTC Satoshis on sign up, which will help you out getting your first miner. Also, these other websites, the links are in the description. Helps me out as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Happy New Year.